the Central Market in San Jose. Man, it's like really busy out here, man. A lot of people.
De Costa Rica, Panamá, la vida explota. Baila despacio, luego acelera. Tus caderas hablan pura candela. En la arena suelta, esa vibra buena. La brisa del mar nos lleva a donde quiera. De Limón a Puerto Viejo, una
But yeah, we're trying to look for some food. And then we have like a tortilla. Guys, this table's like really tight. Hello everyone, I just got to the Central Mercado de San Jose, the Central Market in San Jose. I'm going to be meeting one of my friends here, so we're going to be checking out this market. Also the area too, going to walk around. Man, it's like really busy out here, man. A lot of people, there's a lot of people just walking around. And yeah, you know, I'm going to try to show you guys the vibes. Try to show you guys everything that's going on here, things you could do. So yeah, so I think this is like any other central location you will find in Latin America, where you'll have people walking around. You know, there's a lot of markets, street vendors. It's just busy and bustling with a lot of people. See, we have the police right there, so you already know that you're gonna get a lot of security. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So we're about to go to the market soon. We're about to take a look in there. But yeah, we're trying to look for some food. What other kind of things do they sell in here? Costa Rican type of clothes.
Hey everyone, welcome to the San Jose Central Market. This is one of the most integral and cultural places in San Jose, Costa Rica, and also one of the most travel destinations for tourists alike. You get a bunch of stuff in here, from local games, local clothes, and they also have a bunch of food options available. You can try that delicious Costa Rican food as well. So come on down when you come to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Yeah, a lot of locals and stuff like that. There's my food, that's my drink. Okay, so I'm gonna try this drink. What is this?
It's called Cas. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know what kind of fruits or anything?
I don't know anything.
Alright, let's try it.
Fruit.
It tastes like kiwi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I definitely taste like a lot of kiwi in it. And then we have like a tortilla. We have eggs. Is this plantain?
It's like sausage.
Oh, sausage. And rice and beans. So I guess like it's a typical. Okay, and then like, was that like mayo or like garlic?
This is sour cream.
Oh, okay. Right, let's try this. Guys, this table's like really tight. I barely have enough room to breathe. By the time I finish, I don't know how I'm gonna fit in the seat. You know?
Cheese, that's cheese.
That tastes good.
Fried cheese. Fried.
Wow, this is good. So this dish is actually really good. Like, there's like eggs, there's rice, there's sausage. This is like fried cheese. I've never heard of like fried cheese before. But yeah, this tastes really good.
Oh, sorry. Tortilla. That's tortilla with the cheese and sour cream.
Costa Rican food, guys. Sour tapa.
Tortilla.
Oh, is it tortilla? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was. It tastes like a wrap up. How's the food? Good? How's it good? Yeah. So we're back in the house in the central area, walking on the boulevard. You see a lot of shops, a lot of vendors and stuff like that. Oh, I know where we're walking. I've seen this place on YouTube. Yeah? Yeah, I've seen this area. So there's a San Jose sign. There's a San Jose sign in the square there.
Oh, okay.
Is there? I'm asking you.
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't remember. I know there's a sign, but I don't remember.
Yeah. It's the real Costa Rica, guys. The real streets of Costa Rica. Got the Costa Rican flag. And I know what, the rain is not too bad either. Like it's not like a downpour rain. It's more just like a little drizzle. Does it rain hard usually, or is it like this?
When Costa Rica rains, when it rains really hard.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like I'm the type of person, like I'm very social. You know, like I'll talk to people, I'll smile and shit like that. But obviously I'm smart with it too, you know what I mean? Because there's a time and place. Where you could be nice and, you know what I'm saying? Wow. I have some shirts here. And yeah, like it definitely looked a lot sketchy, you know?
Yeah, that. So you were walking
honestly, I was only walking from my apartment to Barrio La California, which is only like a 5-minute walk. So, but I ain't gonna lie, like I like run, you know, because it is sketchy at night, you know. So. So what's this place right here?
This is a club. People who have like money.
Yeah.
Like they are part of like this club, so they can go there and do like activities or meetings.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the main post office.
Yeah. Would it be on YouTube? Like, maybe I could Google it?
Yeah, Google it.
Or chat GPT?
Yeah, Google it. Ask me what.
Say that, Dumbo? Sorry, I'm such a goofy. What were you saying?
It's okay. Oh, no, no, it's okay. Don't worry.
I hope it doesn't bother you. I'm like really goofy.
No. Don't worry.
Yeah. I'm someone like I'm always in places like this by myself, anyways, and like yeah, I just move like place to place, like.
So, are you going to the Caribbean side?
Nah, I don't think I am. I would like to, but.
You already paid your.
No, I haven't bought my ticket or anything yet, so I can leave. I can leave anytime. Like right now, I'm planning to leave. What day am I planning to leave? Oh, Wednesday. Wednesday, I'm planning to leave. Deal with something real quick. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know how it is, real estate. You know.
Yeah.
Like some stuff over there. What's that? Is that like a cathedral? Like that dome?
That's a church.
Oh, okay. Looks like there's something going on over there. Is there like a oh, I thought there was like a stage in the central area there. What is
yeah.
So what's this area here?
Huh?
What's this area?
This is says the park. We call it Plaza de la Cultura, the culture.
Wow, this place looks interesting.
And there's the National Theater.
Oh, this is the National Theater right here?
Yeah. And I think,
No, gracias.
I think the Gold Museum is right there. Check it out. I used to come when I was little, like to see the...
Oh, the pigeons?
Yeah.
National Theater. So, yeah, I just want to show you guys this place as well. Of course, you know, there's like a lot of culture and things out here. So... it seems like everything is like in this area.
Yeah.
This is Costa Rica, eh? Yeah, because right now like I'm processing everything I see, so I'm just trying to like kind of decide like how like my thoughts about like what the place is and everything else. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
10,000 is no 5,000 is $10.
Okay. Okay. Very, very interesting city.
It's the name of like where the people with money live.
Yeah.
So there is also like an avenue with some stores and restaurants, but those are more expensive restaurants and expensive stores.
My friend just left, so it's here by myself. But yeah, I just take you guys through here, showing you guys what's up. I don't think it's here anymore. So I walked over here. Oh shit, almost dropped. But yeah, I just walked over here just to see what we got going on here. I don't even know what this is. National Museum of Costa Rica. Okay, so this is the National Museum of Costa Rica. I don't know who any of these guys are, but yeah, just a interesting piece of architecture to look at. Over there you have the mountains. Oh, I'm trying to get like a closer view of these mountains way over there. It's funny, the reason why I came over here is to see this big Costa. Oh, I can't even see it from here. There's a big Costa Rican flag over there. I'm gonna get a picture of that when I go over there. But yeah, National Museum of Costa Rica.
Bajo la luna, mi piel se enciende, el ritmo lento mi cuerpo lo entiende, el aire arde, susurros en mi mente, te miro y me pierdo, te sigo.
Like more flags and stuff over there, so I'm gonna walk over there, see what's happening over there. Some stuff down there. I have no idea what's down there, but I'm gonna walk this way.
Bailando despacio, yo soy tu red. Cae en mi juego, no hay quien se arrepienta. Tus manos hablan, no hacen promesas. Mi cintura sigue todas sus piezas. En cada giro.
I'm walking down the street. This place looks pretty interesting. Let's see what we got here. There's some nice stylish homes. I guess these are like businesses or shops, like boutique type of shops. So this looks pretty interesting. I guess that's a supermercado over there.